Hello guys and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to be learning how you can connect your Facebook to your Instagram. But before getting started, remember to support our channel, hit the like button, subscribe and turn on your notification bells so that you get notified every time we post a new video. Without further ado, let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile. Then tap on the profile icon that appears on the bottom right corner. Then on the top right corner, you can see the three-barred icon. You tap on it. Tap on settings and privacy, then tap on account center. Tap on your profiles. Now you have the options of add accounts. So to add a Facebook account, you tap on add accounts and then you'll be given with two options, either adding a Facebook account or adding an Instagram account. So if you want to add your Instagram account to your Facebook account, then you tap on add Instagram account. But since we're adding Facebook account to our Instagram account, we tap on the first option. Then the account that you've registered in your Facebook with the same number will pop up. Then you confirm that is the Facebook ID that you'd like to connect to your Instagram. You tap on continue. If you've entered two different dates on your Instagram and your Facebook, then this window will pop up asking you to confirm which is your correct birth date, and then you tap on continue. After you selected your birth date, after you're finished with that, you tap on yes, finish adding. Then both your Facebook and your Instagram accounts will be linked together. However, this also means that if for any reason your Instagram account has been suspended, then your Facebook account will also be suspended and vice versa. So that is one of the main disadvantages of connecting your Facebook to your Instagram. However, if you like this feature, then you tap on yes, finish adding, and then your accounts will be connected together. And this is how you connect your Facebook account to your Instagram account. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.